Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, remove, and edit map icons in Subnautica 2. As you spend more time playing the game and progress further, your screen will eventually become cluttered with icons. Some of these icons are more important than others, while some can simply become distractions from the objectives you actually want to focus on. What you'll want to do is open your PDA, then head over to the Signals tab. Unselecting these circles will hide the icons from your screen. Alternatively, selecting them again will make the icons reappear. But what if you want to highlight an important location like your life pod? If you go back to the Signals tab and click Edit on the life pod, you can change its name and icon color to make it stand out more from the rest of the icons, making it easier to spot in your game world. You can also try color coding important locations so you can identify them much faster while exploring. And that's how to add, remove, and edit map icons in Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.